Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we have learned the deoxygenated blood has moved from pulmonary artery to the lungs for oxygenation. Now, today we will do from here. So it has moved to lungs for oxygen. After the oxygenation of blood means after taking in of air. All right. So after taking in of air, so what has happened? The blood again flows, that is oxygen. Now this one pink one is oxygen filled blood and the blue one is carbon dioxide filled blood. The pink one means indicates that it is oxygen. So what happens is after the oxygenation, the blood again flows through pulmonary vein to the left auricle. Right, this oxygenated blood has entered from pulmonary vein to the left auricle. After this, the oxygenated blood, once it reaches to the left auricle, again there is a presence of valve. The blood enters through this valve. So the main function of this valve is to, once it enters, again it closes. The main function of this valve is to prevent the backflow of blood. Alright, so the oxygenated blood that passes through this valve reaches and enters through this and reaches the left ventricle. From the left ventricle, again there is presence of a valve. Alright, and the name of the valve is aortic valve. Aortic semilunar valve or aortic valve is the same thing. From here, the oxygenated blood, once it reaches through the left ventricle, again it has to pass through this aortic valve. Again, the function of this is to prevent the backflow of blood. Once it passes through this, it reaches through the biggest artery, to the largest artery, that is known as aorta. Alright, from the left ventricle, it is picked up by the largest vein, that is the aorta. And this oxygenated blood is again passed to the body. Alright, it is passed to the oxygenated blood, is circulated to the body, and from the body, that is once you have taken in oxygen filled blood, again the deoxygenated blood from the heart, from the head to the heart, and from the toe to the heart, again it reaches through from the vena cavas. Once it circulates from the body, again the deoxygenated blood from the head to the heart, okay, with the vena cavas, and again from the toe to the heart, it reaches to the vena cavas, and this circulation keeps on going. All right, so this is all we are going to learn for today.